have someone that is close to you that you are looking at employing, and this person has the following characteristics: blame, excuses and denial, I ask you not to employ them. They will be a train wreck. Why? Because in life, what you focus on, you tend to manifest more in your life. And if you say your business is shit, guess what it's going to be? It's going to be shit. If you say my customers are dingbats, guess what they're going to be? Dingbats. My team are idiots, they're going to be idiots. And the choice is that you can become a victor or a victim.